Listen carefully, just because this might annoy you. A 16-year-old with zero followers made his first $10,000 online. No ads, no viral videos, didn't even show his face. So, what are you doing wrong? Most people think making money online means becoming an influencer, posting every day, or getting lucky. That's exactly why they stay broke. The truth is simple. You don't need attention, you need leverage. And I'll show you exactly how this works. Here's what happened. This kid had no skills, no audience, no money. But he noticed one thing. Businesses are desperate for customers. Not likes, not followers, customers. So instead of trying to grow online, he flipped the game. He asked one question. What do businesses already pay for? The answer. Leads, sales, traffic. And that's where everything